In the last video we had seen the two sums. The third sum, a torch bulb is rated 3 volt and 600 milliampere. Calculate its power, resistance and energy consumed for 4 hours. Power, voltage into, what is the formula for power? Voltage into current. Resistance, vegetarian is equal to IR. V is equal to I by R. So R is equal to, vegetarian is equal to IR. V is equal to IR. R is equal to V by I. Energy consumed, power into time. So first what we are going to find? Power. What is the power? Voltage into current. What is your voltage given as 3 voltage and current is 600 milliampere. You have to convert the 600 milliampere into ampere. So it should be multiplied by 10 power minus 3, that is divided by 1000. So 600 milliampere will be changed into 0.6 ampere. Then you are calculating your power. P is equal to V into I. What is your V? 3 volts into 0.6 ampere will be getting 1.8 watts. They didn't ask you to change into kilowatt hour, so you leave as it is. Then resistance, first we have to find that power, second one resistance. V is equal to IR, so R is equal to V by I. What is your V? 3 volts. What is your V? 3 volts. What is your ampere? 0.6. In order to make it the decimal calculation easier, you can multiply it by 10 and divide it by 10. So you will be getting 30 by 6. So 5 ohms. Resistance is 5 ohms. Then they ask you to calculate energy. Energy is equal to power into time, isn't it? What is your power? 1.8 watts into time is 4 hours. So 1.8 into 4. 4 8s are 32. 2. 4 1s are 4. 5 6 7. 7.2 watts. That's all. 7.2 watts in hours. Kilowatt hour they didn't ask, 7.2 watts hour, that's all. So what is your question? Find out the power, resistance and energy given is 3 volt and 600 milliampere. 600 milliampere current is converted into 0.6 ampere. Power, voltage into current. So 3 into 0.6, 1.8. Then resistance, V by I. This is your B, question B. Then C. Third question subdivision, A, B and C. A, B and C. The fourth one, resistance. What is your question? A piece of wire having a resistance R is cut into 5 equal parts. So first question, how will the resistance of each part of the wire change compared with the original resistance? We studied about resistance. Resistance is directly proportional to length and inversely proportional to area. So the wire is cut into 5 equal parts. So resistance also decreases. If the length is decreases, resistance also decreases. Length increases, resistance also increases. So resistance is decreased. Each part will be having a resistance R by 5. This is your first one answer. Second question is, if the 5 parts of the wire are placed in a parallel, how will the resistance of the combination change? Resistance in parallel, 1 by Rp is equal to formula 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by R.